Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can delegate your votes using Nova Wallet, which is the third-party mobile wallet for Polkadot and Kusama's ecosystems. And it is also a call to action because I really need your support. I'm about to launch a proposal for funding of the KryptosChain YouTube channel, and I really need all the voting power I can get. So I'm also doing this tutorial to show you how to do it, so that hopefully you can support me. If you have Kusama, I would very much appreciate it. So I want to thank you in advance. But how do you do it? After you download Nova Wallet and you import your actual wallet, then what you have to do is once you're on the main screen, you simply go to vote down at the bottom. And then here, once the page loads, you're going to see add delegation, which is this option here at the top. So you simply press add delegation. And then what you have to do is you have to scroll down, because these are all the different accounts that are supported here where you can delegate to. And you simply find me here, KryptosChain. I've already got 4 delegations. As you can see, you simply press it. And then once you do that, then all you have to do is hit add delegation here. Then you have to select treasury any. Okay, because this is what I'm interested in. You hit continue. And then you can set the quantity of KSM that you want to delegate to me. If these are in staking, it's not going to impact you in any way. The only thing it's going to do is it's going to increase your lockup time depending on the power that you give me, the conviction power. So as you can see here, once you add the Kusama, you have to move the scroll here and you select the conviction. So for example, if you want to give me a 3x voting power, you lock it up for 27 days and 19 hours. Okay, so now to unstake your Kusama, you know that it takes 7 days. So with this, it's basically an additional 20 days and 19 hours. If you wanted to get that Kusama out, to maybe transfer it out for whatever reason, right? Or maybe you no longer want to stake, or you simply want to undelegate. So that's basically how long it takes. Now for 2x, it is less, it's 13 days and 21 hours in total, including that 7 days staking time. So that's another 7 days basically. And then for 1x, it's 6 days and 22 hours. Now you can also give me 0.1x, which means only 10% of your stack, but I would very much appreciate if you could do at least 1x, ideally 3x. I can understand not everyone can do 4x because that is a longer lockup, 55 days, unless you really believe long-term in Kusama and you're happy to stake for the next 2 months, for the next 3 months, maybe half a year, maybe longer, then 4x would really help. But in general, 3x is quite good. So if you can do anything between 1x and 3x, I would very much appreciate it. Okay, so let me just say I had let me just use the one that I actually have just to show you how it's done. 0.3, let's do that. And then you go to continue, and then here you will see this exact page. Okay, so it tells you here how it looks. Governance lock 0.3, undelegating period would take 27 days and 19 hours. So you just hit confirm here and then you sign the transaction. That's pretty much how you do it. So you're basically granting me access to be able to vote using your Kusama without impacting you whatsoever. You only pay the transaction fee one time. The only impact you have is this undelegating period here. Okay, so it is safe, don't worry about it, but it would be of big help to me because it could hopefully help me win that referendum, because I will need all the support I can get. So thank you very much once again. And if you have any questions, please fire them away in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer and guide you through if anything wasn't clear. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.